Hello world, I am so excited to announce our new feature called the Quick Importer for Identity IQ credit monitoring. Now, here's the thing. We are currently working on Smart Credits version and we are currently working on Privacy Guard version, so stay tuned for both of them. But for now, I want to show you the power of the Quick Importer when it comes to building a credit analysis, a credit analyzer, a PPD good faith estimate, importing it into the software, and also running the fast checker. Now, before you would normally log into the credit monitoring site, download the credit report, and then re-import the credit report into the software. Of course, with your customer's permission. But now, all you have to do is load your customer's login credentials in one time into the software, and that's it. From there, the software will do all of the heavy lifting for you within seconds, and it does it with the new feature called the Quick Importer. So what does this mean? Every single month, you need to get a new credit report on behalf of your customer. You don't have to log in, and you don't have to download anything. The Client Dispute Manager credit repair software will do all of the work for you. Now, I know I'm talking a lot about this software, this credit repair software, but I'm going to show you how the Client Dispute Manager credit repair software will do all the heavy lifting for you and save you hours and hours of time and frustration and manpower. Now, are you ready to see the Client Dispute Manager credit repair software Quick Importer? If the answer is yes, let me get to it. The first thing we want to do is go to the credit analysis. Now, the second thing I want to do is pick here, credit analysis only. Let's select our customer. Now, we're going to select Identity IQ. As you can see, it automatically switches to the Quick Import. So now let's go ahead and show you the magic. Let's click on Quick Import and let's just relax for a second. Go get you some coffee, review some paperwork, talk to your coworkers, talk to your friends, get on the phone, and let's just wait for the magic to happen. Now remember, no logging in, no downloading credit. Oh, look at that. Done that fast. I couldn't even finish my talk because it happened that fast. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, the Quick Import is done. The credit analysis is done. All right, now this will apply to all 5 of our 5 powerful features. The PPD, the paper deletion, good faith estimate, the fast checker, the credit analyzer, the credit analysis, and the credit importer. The Identity IQ credit monitoring report Quick Importer is now available on the live site. If you are a current member, I love you and thank you for being a loyal member. If you are new to the game and you're looking to test out the Client Dispute Manager, this is the time. Come see me quick. ClientDisputeManagerSoftware.com.